Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and we're just jumping straight into it. So we starting off with our brows. So I'm taking translucent powder, any translucent powder will do, and I am putting that on my brows, brushing it with a spoolie. Now I'm taking a black, yes I said black kohl pencil, and I'm just outlining my brows with this, the bottom and the top, and then I'm gonna be filling it in with a what you call it, a brown pencil, and then I'm gonna go in the sparse areas back in with the black pencil. Then I will be using a spoolie to just brush the hairs up in the direction that I want, because you know they are brows. And now that the brows are all done, I cleaned up my brows and based my eyelids off camera. So now it is time for the eye portion. So I'm going in with this palette. This is a Profusion matte palette. I think I got this at Walmart or Walgreens or one of those places. I don't remember. So now I'm taking that orange color, brownish orangish color, and that was first color that I'll be using in my transition area. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush, a smaller fluffy blending brush for this. Now I'm taking those two colors and I'm deepening my crease because I wanted a nice transition from dark to light, or from light to dark, whichever way that you see it. Okay, so I'm using my Morphe M506 brush to create this depth. All right, you can take your time blending because I'm going in the crease and then blending upwards, and you know we got to go back with each color to build up the intensity of the colors. All right, yeah, so there's a lot of back and forth and blending with this eyeshadow. So now I'm taking that, I'm gonna say like a creamish color, and I'm putting that right on top where the orange color and my brow bone is, just for a nice transition. Now taking my P. Louise base in rumor number 3, I believe, I don't remember, and I'm just cutting my crease with this, and I'm also patting it down so that there's not too much product, right? Going back in with the my crease shade, and I'm just putting that at the end of the cut crease, going in with the off-white, I'm gonna say, shade, and I'm putting that on the inner half of my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the pink and orange. I started with a pink first, but I never wanted it to be so pink, so I put the orange over it, and it gave me the nice transition color that I wanted. All right, and this is how I liked it. And as I said to you before, we got to go back and forth in to make sure we have a seamless blend. All right, yeah. So taking my Suva Beauty Hydra liner in Cherry Blossom, just a red liner, and I was creating my wing liner with this. I'm using a nail art brush. It's small and detailed, so that's why I'm using it. All right. So I have a full tutorial on how I do my base, so I'm not gonna really be explaining what I did here. The products that I used, my techniques, everything that I did is in that. I'm gonna try to see if I can link it in the cards or in the description, whichever one that's easier for me. So yeah, I'm just doing my face portion, you know, placing my highlight, let it dry down a little bit, then move on to contouring my face, or bronzing first and then the contouring after. Then, you know, I'm going to be putting down foundation on where I did not put any product, and, you know, blending that out, and then going back over with everything, then setting it with powder, you know, the whole works, the whole shebang. All right, so as I said, I'm going to leave it so you can check it out. Hopefully it helps you. And yeah, so I'm just going to speed through this process. I just felt like leaving it in because I wanted to create, I wanted to do a video on a full face. So that's why I left this portion in, like everything in. So, you know, if I'm doing the eyes, I'm just focusing on the eyes. If I'm doing the face, I'm focusing on the face or whatever. So I'm just incorporating everything in this. All right, so I'm gonna let you watch.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Couple feet, but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I be tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye.
So I took a black gel liner and I lined my waterline. Then I fill in my mole. Then I went in with the crease colors and I put that on the, I don't know, that part all the way in to the middle. And then I just put the orange right there. All right. For my lips, you know, nude lips. But you know, when I was while editing this video, I'm looking back, and even though I lined my lips with brown, I should have just popped a red in the middle. I'm just looking like, oh my god, because I love my nude lips so much. Even if I did not do the red, I should have just left it matte. I don't know why I didn't do that. I mean, it was late and I was tired. So yeah, so that's what I did. I did my regular nude lip that I like doing. So yeah, I mean, the look turned out pretty good, just the same. So yeah, so you know, pencil, that darker brown, then the concealer in the middle. Then I want to top it off with some gloss. And yeah, oh yeah, pat my face out after I sprayed it with some setting spray. And yeah, that is the finished look. What do you think, guys? I think this look turned out bomb diggity, even though I should have used a red lip. Oh. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like the video. It helps with the algorithm. Sharing is caring. Subscribe, join the tribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And until next time, mwah, bye beauties.